Hello and welcome. This is AB Suleiman from Microtech, and today's tutorial is based on the basic mathematical operations. These are subtraction, multiplication, division and summation. I have here a set of data containing the items, their quantities, their weights and their sold values. I have here calculated the remaining amount, but let's clear the field so that we have more useful view. Here you go. We'll be applying the very first subtraction operation in order to get the remaining items, that is the sold amount subtracting from the quantities I have before. Let's start from the equal sign and select the very first or the initial value that I had. This is 32 of the glasses, and I hit the subtraction mark that is just present on the top right corner of your keyboard. There you go, and I'll put the sold quantities over here, and I'll press enter. There you go, I got 18 remaining items for glass. As I drag it down the rows, I'll get the chair, table, desk, pen after selling these quantities, the remaining quantities here. I have here a data of 0, a value of 0. That is just because the table has been sold out completely and I have nothing remaining. There you go to the column of amount. This can be carried out by multiplying the sold quantities with the rate of each items. I start from the equal sign and select the sold quantities and press the steric key that is present just on the top right corner of your keyboard beside the subtraction mark which you put recently, and select this rate and press enter. You will get 700s. This can be carried out by having, as you drag it down, you'll get the more values or amounts of these sold quantities by multiplying their rates. This can be carried out by a function called product function. When I put equal sign and start with product, product, and press tab, I'll start my function, and I'll select the sold quantity by multiplying the rate. But as you select the first one, you have to put the comma as the sign text refers. And now select the rate column and close the parenthesis, press enter, and you'll get the 700. That's the same amount I got from a simple calculation. Just drag it down and you'll get the remaining amounts of these different sold quantities with their different rates. If I know two values of the amount and sold quantities, I can calculate the rate of each item. For example, you get something, you get 14 glasses of 700 rupees. Now you don't know the rate of each glass, so you can calculate by simply the third operation that is called division. Select the amount and then press the slash key that is just present. In fact, this is quite noticing that subtraction, steric, that is product, and slash, that is used for division. These both are all of the keys are present just side by side, so you will not be facing more problem. Once you do it, you will be familiar with this. Now select the sold quantities. There you go. I firstly selected the amount and then selected the sold quantities, and as I press enter, I'll get to the rate of each glass. Now that is exactly matching this rate column and the rates of different items. As I drag it down, you'll get the rates of all these items matching the rate column, which I calculated from only knowing the amount and the sold quantities. There you go. The last property, that is summation. Summation is used to sum up all the data, to add up all the data. That can be carried out by two ways. Just select the cell you want to calculate here and come here to home tab and auto sum option. Just double click it and you will get the data summed up over here. That is 1,64,200. This can be carried out by a function called sum. Press equal sign and sum, press tab, and then you'll be starting numbering your figures. This can be carried out as these are a lot of values. I cannot calculate one by one. It is taking. I would just select the range of these data to calculate just here from the top to the down, and I close the parenthesis and press enter. So there you'll go, 1,64,200. This tutorial was based on the very basic mathematical operations carried out on subtraction, multiplication, division, and summation. Hope you enjoyed. Keep visiting for more useful tutorials to micro tech, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.